Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find notification history on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. If you want to view your past notifications, just go to the settings, then go to notifications. Now go to the advanced settings and find notification history. If this was disabled, then when you enable it, it will start registering your notification history from now. So if it has been disabled, then you'll not have any notifications until you dismiss them. But since I had that enabled before, you can see now that I have the recently dismissed notifications here, and if I dismiss any more, then it'll also display them here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.